Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix app denied access. If an app on your iPhone says access denied or won't let you use certain features, follow those steps to fix it. Step 1. Check app permissions. First open settings and scroll down to apps. Next tap on apps, then find that, then tap the app, then make sure permissions like camera, photos, microphone or location are turned on. Go back and reopen the app. Step 2. Restart the app and iPhone. Now close the app completely by swiping up and reopen it. If needed, restart your iPhone to refresh system permissions. Step 3. Check screen time restrictions. Now go to settings, then tap on screen time, then tap on content and privacy restrictions. Make sure app access, permissions or content limits aren't blocking the app. Step 4. Update the app. Open the App Store, then tap on profile, then tap on apps, then scroll down. If you see an update is available, install it. And outdated apps can lose permission access and stop working properly. Step 5. Update iOS. Go to settings, then general, then software update, then install any available updates. New iOS updates obtain fixed permission and access issues, and that's how you can fix app denied access. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.